Clay minerals are plastic when moistened with water and can deform under low pressure and remain in their original state for a long time. Clay ball press feeding is also a technical work. Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling the material. The reason for this is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing a load on the reducer and the motor. Secondly, quantitative feeding can make the motor run smoothly and the charge is stable, and when the feeding amount exceeds the specified amount of the equipment, it will cause overload and even force the equipment to stop suddenly. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is unstable and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So the operation of mastering the dose is an important part of the operation of the machine. Skilled operation technology and correct feeding is an important part, but also to ensure the normal operation of the clay ball press is an important condition.